I think Moody has a really cool opportunity to bring students together.
I am so pumped for Big Chapel to be back.
Praise Friday. I have missed Praise Friday so much.
Getting fans back in the stands.
I am so excited to play.
Getting to build a new legacy here.
Sing Song! I've literally been waiting for Sing Song to be back.
I think what I'm most excited about is the fact that we have a venue now for community to take place. The past few years have been tough because there hasn't been a place for us all to gather.
We've had to, move chapel all over campus and move Sing Song off campus and a lot of our athletics to Teague. I'm just so excited to have everything kind of back in the same space and to be able to better experience what makes ACU so special in the first place, which is the community.
The idea of everyone gathering together and, singing, hearing the word of God, and most of all, it's just the insane amount of people together. It's just so beautiful. And since Moody was closed, I truly miss it.
I have missed Praise Friday so much, and I love that we've been able to do it outside still, but it's just not the same.
I missed a good Praise Friday with all of us together doing highways and byways for the first time. I think that's going to be a great experience, especially for the underclassmen who have never gotten a chance to experience that.
I'm so excited to play here and to experience the first game and game day feelings.
The thing that excites me most is the fan experience and getting fans back in the stands. I might be biased, but I think the basketball season will be very fun.
I'm really excited to see all the different games and athletic events that we'll have going on there, and just seeing people like how happy they are to be back in Moody and just see the energy of everybody being there.
I'm really excited my senior year to finally be able to be back in Moody Coliseum for Sing Song.
It's just been really hard for us to capture that nostalgic feeling and to an extent that magic feeling that comes with Sing Song. Sing Song and Moody just go hand in hand.
Getting to have my senior year with the senior Sing Song being back in Moody, I feel like that's the perfect end to my ACU career.
I'd like to say thank you for your generosity.
Thank you so much, because it is an amazing arena to get to play in.
Thank you so much for being so generous and selfless and knowing that this Coliseum is kind of bigger than all of us.
What you've contributed to is, going to be a legacy in the future. It's going to, bless students, 10, 20, 30 years down the road.
I would just like to say thank you for all your support and helping with remodeling Moody. I really am struggling for words. I just am so excited to play in here and have another opportunity for my 5th year. It's truly a blessing to play in such a beautiful arena.
Thank you for donating this much money to something that is going to go a long way for future generations.
Thank you for investing in not only this space, but also the lives of the students that you might never meet.
Thank you for letting us have this opportunity to play in the state-of-the-art facility, and without you, we would not be here.
Really excited to see what happens in this Coliseum now that it's fresh, brand new, and we can start new experiences in here.